Ever wondered how devices on a network are identified? Well, it all starts with something called an IP address. Imagine you're at a party where everyone is wearing name tags. In the world of networking, these name tags are IP addresses. Each device connected to a network has a unique IP address, just like each person at the party has a unique name. This unique identifier is a 32-bit numeric address, crafted with 4 numbers separated by periods. But wait, what's a bit? Well, in computing, a bit is the most basic unit of information, represented as a 0 or a 1. So when we say an IP address is a 32-bit address, we mean it's composed of 32 of these zeros and ones. This IP address is the secret sauce that allows data to find its way across networks to the right device. So now that we know what an IP address is, let's dive a little deeper into its structure. An IP address isn't just a random set of numbers. It's divided into a network address and a host address. Let's delve deeper into this. Think of the IP address as a postal address. The network address is akin to the city you're in. It pinpoints the specific network your device is connected to. On the other hand, the host address is the street and house number. It identifies your specific device on that network. Imagine a city bustling with people. To find a specific person, you first need to know which city they're in. That's your network address. But a city can house millions of people, so you need more detailed information. That's where the host address comes in, guiding you to the specific house or device. But how does a device know which part of the IP address is the network address and which part is the host address? That's where the subnet mask comes in. The subnet mask is like the decoder ring for an IP address. This clever tool is crucial in distinguishing the network portion of an IP address from the host portion. Imagine a cityscape. The network address is like the city's name, while the host address is akin to the street name. The subnet mask is the key that tells us how to read the address. In the world of IP addresses, this mask is a sequence of ones and zeros. The ones represent the network address, and the zeros represent the host address. It's a binary secret agent, splitting the IP address into these two essential parts. Here's the fun part. The subnet mask doesn't just separate these two elements. It also helps routers direct traffic to the right network and finally to the correct host within that network. So there you have it. The IP address, subnet mask, network address, and host address all work together to ensure every device on a network can be uniquely identified. It's like a postal system for data,